Welcome back to second term, and today we are gonna discuss Unit 7, Amazing Artifacts. Listen to language focus. Let's start from this picture. I want you to guess what can you see in this picture. Great job. So we have animals and we have some ancient Egyptians. This picture is about animals in ancient Egypt. We have a question here. What was the ancient Egyptians' favorite animal? Do you think? You can answer yes. Of course. So we have a small text here about animals in ancient Egypt. Okay. The ancient Egyptians loved animals and kept many as pets. They particularly adored cats, and there was a cat in almost every house. The ancient Egyptians believed that cats looked after them and kept them safe. This was particularly important for farmers who produced a lot of grain. The rats didn't eat the grain because the cats ate the rats. So, animals in ancient Egypt is very important. We have a few questions here. Let's answer them. Question number one, we have a yes or no question, which is, did the ancient Egyptians love animals? Question number two, it's a WH question. What did they particularly adore? Question number three, we have a yes or no question again. Did the rats eat the grain in farmers' houses, and why? And number four, last one, what was their favorite animal? Take your time to answer these questions in a piece of paper, then come back to review our answers. Welcome back. So we will answer these questions from our text here. Okay, welcome back. Let's read these questions, then we will answer. Question number one, it's a yes or no question. Did the ancient Egyptians love animals? So from this form of the question, we notice that we put the main verb in the infinitive form after did. Our answer, it will be yes, they did. Okay. Question number two, what did they particularly adore? Here we have a WH question. We started with WH word, then we have did plus subject, and we put the main verb in infinitive form after did. So our answer, it will be they particularly adored cats. They particularly adored cats. Here we put the main verb in the second form, adored. Question number three, did the rats eat the grain in the farmer's house, and why? Again, we notice that we put the infinitive form of the verb after did in the question. So our answer, no, they didn't eat the grain. No, they didn't eat the grain. From this answer, we notice that we put the main verb in the infinitive form after didn't. After didn't, we put the infinitive form of the verb. And the second part of the question, because the cats ate the rats. The cats ate the rats. Our main verb in this sentence is irregular verb. So when we put it in the past, we must memorize the form of this verb. Question number four, what was their favorite animal? Who can tell me here where is the main verb in the question? Great job. Our main verb here is verb to be. And we noted that we put the verb to be in the second form because we asked about something in the past. Excellent. So the second form of verb to be is was or were. Our answer, their favorite animal was cat. For sure, we use was because our subject is singular. We notice here this text to talk about ancient Egyptians and their animals. Of course, these actions happened in the past, so we use the second form of the verb. When we want to put the regular verbs in the second form to express about past, we add the suffix d or ed or ied. And when we want to put irregular verbs in the second form to express about past, we must memorize it. We have examples here about irregular verbs like verb keep in the second form kept, and we have the verb eat, ate, and regular verbs like love, loved, adore, adored, and produce, produced. And we have, of course, verb to be. It's an irregular verb. In the second form, it will be was or were. Okay. Here we notice that in the third question, when we want to put a sentence in the negative form of the past simple, we use didn't plus infinitive. No, they didn't eat the grain. No, they didn't eat. Didn't eat. Practice makes perfect. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. It space heavily yesterday. Yesterday, it's a keyword to express about past here. So we want a main verb in the second form. Yes, excellent. The answer, it will be letter C. Excellent. It rained heavily yesterday. It rained heavily yesterday. Number 2. My family and I space in Aswan when I was young. When I was young. When I was young, it expresses about past. So we want a verb in the second form. Here the answer, it will be great job. Letter P. My family and I lived in Aswan when I was young. Question number 3. Why space you finish your English homework last week? We notice the word last here. It's a keyword to express about the past. So the answer, it will be letter C. Great job. Letter C. Why didn't you finish your English homework last week? Question number 4. When did they space back to their country? When did they? Here we have did and subject, so we want to put the main verb in the excellent, in the infinitive form. So the answer, it will be letter C. Letter C. When did they fly back to their country? Number 5. Space he tired after the long trip. B. Yes, he was. Yes, he was. From P here, we notice that this sentence in the past. We have a singular subject here, which is he, so we will use was. The answer, it will be letter P. Letter B. Was he tired after the long trip? Yes, he was. Excellent. Number 1. Did the ancient Egyptians birds in their houses? We have kept between two brackets. As we said, after did, we put the infinitive form of the verb. So the answer, it will be excellent. Did the ancient Egyptians keep birds in their houses? Number 2. We space very happy yesterday. Yesterday here. The main verb here is verb to be, and we said verb to be is irregular verb. In the present form, we have am, is, and are. The past form, we have was, aware. Was, aware, was for singular, and were for plural. Excellent. So we have the subject here is we. We is a plural subject, so we use were. We were very happy yesterday. We were very happy yesterday. Number 3, I space to Al Azhar Park 2 days ago. So excellent, I went, because our verb here is irregular, so we want to put it in the second form to express about the past. How did you know this sentence in the past? From the word ago. The word ago, it's a keyword to express about the past. Excellent. Number 4, we space a lot of homework yesterday. Yes, you noticed yesterday. So the main verb here, have, and we know that the verb have is irregular verb. So we had a lot of homework yesterday. We had a lot of homework yesterday. Number 5, did you a nice weekend? Did you? After did here, as we said, like example number 1, after that we want to put the verb in the infinitive form. So did you have a nice weekend? Did you have a nice weekend? Number 6, were you born in Giza? Were you born in Giza? No, I born in Cairo. No, I was born in Cairo. No, I was born in Cairo. Number 7, did they visit the museum last week? No, they didn't. Excellent. It's very easy. No, they didn't. Number 8, I spaced football after school yesterday. Yes, you noticed that yesterday it's a keyword to express about past, so we want to put the verb in the second form, so we will add ed. Excellent, because this verb is regular verb. So the answer it will be I played football after school yesterday. Number 9, last month she a beautiful dress. She, last month here, the word last, it's a keyword to express about past. So we want to put the verb by in the second form to express about past. And we know that the verb by is irregular verb. So it will be, the answer it will be, excellent. The answer it will be, last month she put a beautiful dress. She put a beautiful dress. Last one, number 10. Yesterday Omar didn't to school. Didn't, after didn't here we put the infinitive form of the verb. So Omar didn't come, not came. Yesterday Omar didn't come to school. Omar didn't come to school. Thanks for watching.